Hi everyone, is your WhatsApp profile info stuck on connecting? Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Restart WhatsApp. Close WhatsApp completely and reopen it. This can fix temporary connection issues. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone. This refreshes network and app services. Step 4. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to settings, apps, WhatsApp, storage and cache. Tap clear cache to not clear data. Step 5. Check data time. Go to settings, data time, or turn on automatic date and time. Wrong type can cause connection errors. And that's it. Your WhatsApp profile info should start loading now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick fixes.